See how bad I can go. That way I can watch it.
This could be a bad one to do. You might want to rethink that.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
I did. For once. All right.
Shooter understand the course of fire?
I do.
Shooter ready?
Ready.
Stand by. Don't forget you have a few over here to get to.
That's it.
Okay, shooter finish, show clear. Slide down, hammer down, holster. Let's make that shotgun safe. And
Thing is, I dumped it before the Texas Star. Stupid me.
yeah, the shotgun's the way to do the Texas Star.
Yeah, I know. I know. I didn't even think
That's
about
real
it.
hard to hit with a pistol. Okay.
I dumped it and I'm like, son of a
93,
bitch.
52. One Claybird, one Claybird missed. I think he does have the paper.
Except for the up and down.
3 failure to neutral or failure to engage.
Is that one of yours? Universal?
Well, probably. Who knows? I've been throwing them everywhere. That's 3 failure to neutralize for that guy and those 2. Or failure to engage. Oh.